Debate definitions to discuss a subject in a formal way. Example, the student began to debate the pros and cons of renewable energy. Debilitate definitions to make someone or something physically weak. Example, his illness continued to debilitate him, making daily tasks difficult. Decay definition to become gradually damaged, worse or less. Example, without proper care, the abandoned building begins to decay rapidly. Deceive definition to persuade someone that something false is the truth, trick or fall. Example, she attempted to deceive her boss by falsifying the report. Decelerate definition to reduce the speed that a vehicle is traveling at. Example, as they approached the red light, the car started to decelerate. Declaim definition to express something with a strong feeling. Example, the politicians took the stage to declaim his oppositions to the new policy. Decline definition to gradually become less, worse or lower. Example, sales began to decline after the product received negative reviews. Decouple definition to separate from someone or something else. Example, the two companies decided to decouple their business operations to avoid conflicts. Decrease definition to become less or to make something become less. Example, the city council voted to decrease funding for the new park. Decry definitions to criticize something as bad without value or unnecessary. Example, activities took to social media to decry the government's new law. Dedicate definition to give completely your energy time to something. Example, she decided to dedicate her life to helping unprivileged children. Deduct definition to take away an amount or part from a total. Example, the accountant had to deduct business expenses from the final income report. Deepen definition to make something deeper or to become deeper. Example, the author aimed to deepen the reader's understanding of the complex issue. Defame definition to damage the reputation of a person or group by saying or writing bad things about them that are not true. Example, the tabloid sought to defame the celebrity with false accusations. Defeat definition to win against someone in a fight, war or competition. Example, the army was able to defeat the enemy forces after long battle. Defend definitions to protect someone or something against attack or criticism. Example, a promise to defend his friend against the unfair accusation. Deflect. Definition. To change direction after hitting something or to cause something to do this. Example, the lawyer tried to deflect attention away from the client's wrongdoing. Deform. Definition. To spoil the usual and true shape of something. Example, over time the structure began to deform due to the shipping foundation. Defraud. Definition. To take or keep something illegally from someone by deceiving the person. Example, the scammer planned to defraud elderly victims out of their life savings. Decry. Definition. To pay or provide all or part of the money for cost or expenses. Example, the company agreed to defray the travel expenses for the business trip. Defrost. Definition. To become or cause something to become free of ice. Example, you should defrost the chicken before cooking it. Degrade. Definition. To reduce the quality of something. Example, the constant exposure to harsh chemicals will degrade the material. Delay. Definition. To make something happen at later time than originally planned or expected. Example, the project was further delayed by unexpected technical problems. Delight. Definition. To give someone great pleasure or satisfaction. Example, the surprise party was meant to delight the guest of honor. Delimit. Definitions. To mark or describe the limits of something. Example, we need to delimit the boundaries of the research areas to avoid confusion. Deliver. Definition. To take goods, letters, parcel to people's houses or places of work. Example, the courier was supposed to deliver the package by noon. Delude. Definition. To make someone believe something that is not true. Example, his overconfidence led him to delude himself about his chances of success. Delve. Definition. To reach into something or under the surface of something, try and find an object. Example, the scientists decided to delve deeper into study of quantum physics. Demarcate. Definition. To show the limits of something. Example, the fence was built to demarcate the two properties. Demean. Definitions. To cause someone to become less respected. Example, his harsh words only serves to demean his colleagues during the meeting. In next tutorial, I will bring you English words with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification. See you in future video.